Every few minutes in India, another rape case is officially reported. A headline appears, discussions begin, people react for a few days, and then attention slowly fades. But behind every number is not just a statistic. Behind every number is a person, a family, and a life that may never be the same again. According to recent National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) data, India recorded approximately 29,136 reported rape cases in 2024. That means around 81 reported cases every day, nearly 3 to 4 reported cases every hour, or approximately 1 reported rape every 18 minutes. Experts also repeatedly emphasize an important point. These numbers represent only officially reported cases and may not reflect incidents that remain unreported. Now let us understand how different states compare. According to reported statistics, Rajasthan recorded the highest number of rape cases in India with around 4,871 reported cases. Uttar Pradesh reported approximately 309 cases. Maharashtra recorded around 3,091 cases. Madhya Pradesh reported nearly 3,061 cases. These states contributed a significant proportion of total reported rape cases across the country. However, numbers alone never tell the complete story. A state with a larger population may naturally report a higher number of cases. Crime experts also study crime rates per population, awareness levels, access to police systems, social factors, and reporting behavior. Because sometimes a higher number may also reflect greater reporting and willingness to approach law enforcement. Another important reality often gets ignored. Many people assume sexual violence mostly happens in isolated places involving strangers. But crime studies and NCRB related data have repeatedly shown a different pattern. In a large majority of cases, the accused is often someone already known to the survivor, relatives, neighbors, acquaintances, family friends, or someone within the social circle. In earlier NCRB data, nearly 89% of reported rape cases involved someone known to the victim. That changes the conversation completely, because fear does not always come from unfamiliar faces. Sometimes it comes from trusted environments. Another major issue is underreporting. Not every survivor reports an incident. There can be several reasons behind this: fear of social judgment, fear of retaliation, family pressure, emotional trauma, lengthy legal procedures, fear of not being believed. Because of these reasons, many researchers and social experts believe official statistics may represent only part of the larger picture. The issue also goes beyond policing and laws alone. Laws can punish offenders, police can investigate crimes, courts can deliver judgments. But preventing violence requires much more than legal action. It requires education, it requires awareness, it requires changing attitudes that normalize harassment, victim blaming, and gender discrimination. Children and young adults also need education regarding personal boundaries, respect, and consent. Families, schools, workplaces, and communities all have responsibilities. Technology has also created additional challenges. Safety today is not limited to roads and public places. Cyberstalking, online harassment, threats, blackmail, and misuse of personal information have created entirely new risks. Safety today exists in both physical and digital spaces. The conversation must also include support systems for survivors. Recovery does not end after medical treatment or legal proceedings. Many survivors may experience emotional and psychological effects for years. Counseling support, mental health care, community support systems, and access to justice can influence recovery significantly. At the same time, numbers should never make us emotionally distant, because statistics are easy to read, but each number represents someone whose life changed unexpectedly. The goal should not simply be comparing which state reported the highest number of cases. The goal should be creating a society where fewer people become victims, because perhaps the most important question is not how many cases happened. The more important question is, what are we doing today to make that number smaller tomorrow?